Welcome to next program, that is a infix to postfix conversion. So in this we are going to convert a given expression into a postfix. So to convert this infix expression to a postfix, first we need to evaluate the given expression. So which should be in a infix. Infix is nothing but the operator which is placed between the two operands. The operators, as you are able to see, the basic arithmetic operators and the alphanumeric operands. We can use alphanumeric is either alphabetic or a numeric here. So here first in the main program we are defining the standard library functions. So evaluate a function, we need to define the push function, pop functions. Okay. So because we are using a stack data structure, and the stack data structure is having a push as well as a pop operations. So enter, we need to enter the valid infix expression. We need to store that and we need to evaluate. See, once the program execution start, so as soon as the compiler detects the evaluation, so it will move to the evaluate a function. So here in this evaluate function, we are declared two data types, integer as well as a character data type, and the push is just we're pushing an element as an hash, that is an empty here. So once we done, that is an infix is not equal to null, that is the null characters. So first we need to read that a symbol here. So the where we are getting a different options, we are using a switch function because the symbol can be, it can be any parenthesis or it can be any operand or it will be any operator. So each and every operator having some precedence. So the arithmetic operators having some precedence, like a plus 2, minus, multiplication, division as well as a modulus, and even the exponent and the dollar symbols here. So first we'll see the possible cases here. If the case is open parenthesis, so push that symbol to a stack. So then a break. Then if it is open parenthesis, that is the case 2, so then pop that temple I'll store in a temporary variable. So if condition while temporal not equal to an open braces, what happens here, postfix of a j will be stored, there is a temporary variable whatever we pop, that will be stored in a postfix here. So then we need to increment the value, that is a j plus plus, and we need to pop out. So one thing we need to understand in infix to postfix conversion here is, so first we need to have here one stack. It is storing a stack is having a, where we are pushing first is an hash symbol. Then depending upon what type of an operators or operands we are using. So as soon as we push any operands, so that will be stored in a list. We are having some item called a list or a temporary variable. So if the operator is detected, that will be moved to a stack here. So once until that, so suppose my condition is I'm using in a simple expression, a plus b, a plus b, we will see with an execution here. So as soon as first it starts from a here, so as soon as it detects a, means a is an alphabet, so it will not be moved to a stack, it will be moved to a list, or whatever answer we can say, it is a list, that is an a here. So next operator is next, what is in there is in character, that is in plus. So as soon as the plus, it is an operator, so that will be moved to what, so that will be moved to a stack here. So that is a plus. Next will be a b, so the b will not be moved to a stack, it will be stored like an answer or the list which we are getting. So now once the input expression reading is over, now whatever the element, there is an operators which are stored in a stack, that will be popped out, that is I can write here it is a plus. So similarly, so we will see the for the different expressions, there is an infix as well as a postfix expressions, and based on a priority. For example, for the same thing, if you have a star here, star, that is into C. If I use into C, so once it is done, so the first expression is what we'll get, we'll get as an A, because, and the B we are pushing that to a stack, then alphabet is a B. So after B, what we have an arithmetic symbol, that is an into. Okay, so we need to push that to a stack. Then what is in next character, that is a C. C is an alphabet, so that is stored in a list. Now we need to pop out. So first which element will be popped out, last and first out will be popped out. So here I will get as an into first, then which element, sorry, okay, so next will be a plus here. So this will be expression which will be converted from a infix to a postfix. Infix means always, so there is an operator between the two operands. Okay. So we'll see. So as I told, there is a different cases we are getting. So the different cases is what, either it may be any expressions or it may be any symbol. That is a case which I have shown there. So it depends upon the top should not be null, because we need to use the push as well as a population. When it push, it is a character item. So top is equal to top plus 1. Stack top item will be stored in a top here. So character pop. So the character element, first element will be moved to a top here. Then we are decrementing a pop values.